and this is the second demo of dabdab service. This time I would like to showcase the features that are useful for book lovers. The features that will help you to take notes on your book and keep a reading list. So once you enter the website, you can see that on the home page you see a couple of pre-baked notes that you can use for yourself. For example, as you see, private notes are private by default. Public notes are accessible to everybody by default. So if we take a note in the private note, for example, here is a fee link good today, and take a note, you will have it there. If you go to your account, you will see that this message appears at the top. But if you share this link with somebody, with your friends, I mean this one, then this message won't be there, simply because it's private. Now, when we're doing reading, we're doing two things. First, we're accumulating a list of books to read. And the second is when we have an opportunity, we're taking notes on a specific book. So here you can see that I have a stream called reading list, and if we go inside, you can see that there is one message there, which is about the book called Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, and there is even a link there. So you can see that this string is special by the fact that it has several fields like link, author, and name that you can fill in with every message. And this is very helpful because in the message itself you can specify some context about how you found out about a particular book, and this is always useful when you go through the through a reading list and sometimes wonder how you even found out about this or that book. So let's say we start reading Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. As you see on the homepage, there is a stream for this book, and you can create as many streams as you like. So it's pretty normal to create a list just create a stream just for this book, and this is what we have. So let's suppose we start reading HTML5 version, and even the first paragraph is amazing. So you can copy it and put as a quote. And what's cool about dabdab is it does not impose any structure on you. So you can put a quote and you can say that it was very insightful. And not only this, the images are always also supported. So we can take the cover, we can copy the image, and we can paste it into the input area, and you can see it turned into a link that was uploaded to the service. So if we take note at the moment, we'll have the cover that we have copied, and we have a quote, and we also have our own comment. And this is how you can keep all your notes about the books. So next, let's say that we have finished reading this book, and we don't want to take any more notes. Well, in this case, you can just close the stream. Oh no! First of all, you probably want to share this stream with your friends. Sometimes this happens. In this case, dabdab has a concept of shares, and that not only means sharing by link, but you can create as many independent links as you like. For example, you can click create a share. You can see that if I open it in your tab, this will be completely different link from the usual stream link. So right now it's it has an input area just because I'm logged in. But if you send it to a friend, then it will only contain the messages, and that's it. What's cool about this concept is that you can create multiple sharing links, and if you think that one of them is not necessary anymore, you can just click delete and drop it, and that's it. Then let's go to streams. Let's say we're done with reading, and then we can just close the stream. You can click on close button, and yeah, it will say the stream is closed. And now if you go to a home page, you see that this stream is not there anymore, and this is by design, so that you can only see your active streams by default and not waste time going through the stuff that you have already done in the past. But you can always click on show closed button and get your stream back. You see that, well, it's closed. That's about it. Thanks very much for viewing.